To place an order in the MetaTrader 4 platform, the first thing you need to do is open the new order window. There are a number of ways to open the new order window. You can open the new order window by clicking on the new order button in the toolbar across the top of the platform, and this will open up the new order window. We can close this window by clicking the cross at the top right. We can also right click the chart, go to trading, and click on this new order option here, and you can also see that there's an F9, which is a shortcut key to open this window. You can also double click a currency pair in the Market Watch, and it will open a new order window with that symbol specified in the symbol drop down menu. If you want to change this, you can. So we'll change it to Euro US. So now that we have this window open, to place an order we need to fill out the parameters. So we've selected our symbol. Below symbol we have the volume, which is our position or lot size. In this instance I have 0.10 entered, which is a mini lot. You'll notice that the stop loss and the take profit values are grayed out. That's because we're on a market execution order, which will execute the trade at the current market price. The MetaTrader 4 platform does not allow you to enter a stop loss and a take profit with a market execution order. You need to modify the order after it's opened to apply those details. And then down the bottom here we have the sell by market and buy market buttons. So if we click one of these, this will execute the trade. And you can see there it executes the trade, gives us a confirmation number and the details of that particular trade. I click OK, and that will hide that window. You can see now down the bottom in the terminal, in the trade tab, that this particular trade has appeared, and we can see the order number and all the details for that trade. If we want to modify the order and add a stop loss and a take profit, we can do so by right clicking the row anywhere, selecting modify or delete order, and this now gives us the ability to enter stop loss and take profit value. There's two ways you can enter the stop loss and the take profit. If you want, you can manually enter in the value as such, or you can use these levels and the copy buttons. What these allow you to do is to quickly copy a points value without having to type it in manually. So what we can do here, level 200 points, remembering again that the MetaTrader 4 platform, the last digit is always the tenth of a pip, so 200 points is 20 pips. So what we can do is hit copy, and what that will do, it will copy, and in the stop loss instance, 200 points or 20 pips from the current market price, and in the take profit instance here, 300 points or 30 pips from the current price. And you can see that those buttons are moving because those buttons will always be the specified amount above from the current market price for both the bid and the ask price. Once you have those values in, click the modify button, and that will apply those details to the trade. Click OK again to minimize that window. And you can see now on this trade we have a stop loss and a take profit value. That's the process for a market execution order. We can close this order by right clicking, selecting close order, and confirming that by clicking the close button there. And that will process that order. This is just a generic platform on a demo feed, so occasionally it will freeze, and it may take a little while to close that order because it's not real environment. If we want to place a pending order, we drop down this type here again in the new order window and we select pending order. And what we see now is that some of these fields become available, and also there's extra fields down the bottom here. So I may want to set up a sell stop on this Euro US, and I may want to get in at 1.36520, which is around 20 pips below the current market price. I might want to enter a stop loss 30 pips above that at 820, and I might want my take profit to be 50 pips 020. So what this enables me to do again is to select the symbol, the position size or lot size, stop loss, take profit, the fact that it's a pending order, the type of pending order, which are covered in a separate area, and the price that I'd like to enter this particular trade at. Once I've entered those values, I hit the place button, and before I do that, you can also see here that there's an option here. You can set an expiry. So if you want this pending order to expire at a particular time, you can have it automatically remove it if it hasn't triggered within that period. And then I hit the place button, and it will go through and place that pending order. And we can see now again down the bottom in the terminal, in the trade tab, this pending order is displayed. You'll notice that the pending order appears below the account balance. Any open positions will appear above the account balance. And we can see that it doesn't have a running profit because it's not an open position, it hasn't been activated yet, it's still a pending order, and it's pending the price moving down to the specified entry price. So they're the different types of trades that you can place in the MetaTrader 4 platform and how you go about executing those types of trades.